Hello teacher and classmates. My full name is Jorge Enrique Martinez Benavides. I am 38 years old. I am studying sociology. I work in the National Police and I live in the city of Bogota. This is my routine and normal day. My day starts at 5 a.m. I wake up and I have a shower. Then I get dressed and I brush my teeth. Then I take the bus to the airport at 6 o'clock. Then I arrive at the office at 7 o'clock. After that I eat breakfast and start working at 7:38 a.m. Usually I do analysis, documents, and presentation during my work day. Then I go to the gym at 12 p.m. and I lunch at 1:30 p.m. After that, I go back to work at 2 p.m. o'clock. Usually, I work until 7 p.m. and I return to my apartment at 8:30 p.m. Then I have dinner and I do the activities of the university. Finally, I go to sleep at 11:30 p.m. Thank you for your attention.